let's start with his head. Right about here, there's the top of his head. That's looking nice. Just a little curve like that. And then what we're gonna do is draw his mask. So it's gonna come down like this and then back up like that. That's looking nice. Do this, a little squiggly bit there. And we'll do the same over here like that. And then we can draw his nose, that turtle nose like that. That's nice. Bring his mask on down. Finish it off in there like that and that. Looking good. Now we're just gonna draw his eyes. There we go. The slits in his mask like that. Very nice. And a little pupil. There and there. Looking good. We're starting off well. Now we just draw his cheek right about here. And his nose will continue around here and we can wrap it around like this. That looks nice. And then we can draw a mouth right about there. Sweet. Give him a little cheeky bits there. That's how I like that. And now what we can do is start with the shoulders. These Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are pretty strong dudes. I'll give them some big thick shoulders here like this. Down like that. There we go. Nice and rounded off there. Nice square bits there. Looking nice. And then we'll continue his strong arm here. And his bicep arm right about there. Looking sweet. And there we can do his chest plate. So a V right about there. That'll look good. Bring it on down like that. And like that. This is looking nice, everybody. Now we'll continue his chest plate here. And there. There. And there. Looking good. All right, now we can continue with his arm here, but he's wearing some straps. So we're just gonna draw a line like that. Right about there like that. And another line there like that. And a bit of a pad looking piece with a line right about there. This is looking nice. And then we can continue his arm down like that. And like that. Now another strappy bit he's got here on his arm. Right about there like this. And like that. Right around his wrist area. And these turtles have two fingers on their hands. So one there, another one there. And Raphael holds some knives. So we're gonna draw some sweet looking knives right about here. There and there. Does that look good? Then we'll continue them down like this. Like that. And the pointy bits will come up like that. Very nice, everybody. And we'll give it a bit of a handle at the end here like this. Very sweet, I like this. Now what we're gonna do is draw a little bit of a strap that comes around his belly. So we're gonna do this right about here. This side will come around like that. This will be a little squiggly bit with some texture there to make it look like he's got a knot. So as if it's wrapping around his tummy. There we go, just like this. Do this and that. That makes it look like a bit of a knot. Tag right there, bit of a swirly bit like this. That looks nice. Same over here. There we go. And then we can continue the strap right there around his belly on that side. Let's not forget the inside of his chest here, that and that. And we'll continue that up like this and that. Little curvy bits, looking very nice. Now we continue this arm down here like this. There's his bicep. And the strap over here, right there. Very good. Now we can get this arm coming down here like this. And don't forget the wrist strap here on this arm. There we go. That's looking nice. And And then what we can do is give him a thumb here. Looking good. Bring his hand in like this. And then we'll draw the other knife right here. And right here. Just like the last one. And a pointy bit going out like that. Very nice, everyone. This is looking really good. I like this. All right. Now what we're gonna do is, between the knives here, we're gonna just bring his leg bit up right there. We're just gonna draw a little bit of a bit there. And then we can bring it on down like this, and this is gonna be his midsection. Where his chest armor will teeter off there. And we can bring a line up like that. That looks good, and a line up there. And back here will be his shell. So we'll just put a line up there. So this is his shell down here. And this is looking really nice. I like this. Now we can continue down here like this, and we'll draw his legs. One leg there, and the other leg here like that. Looking good, everybody. Continue the leg down. Oh, he's got some more padding, some knee pads that go on here, just like this and that. Looking nice. Let's draw those knee pads now, right about here and here. Very sweet. Look at that. That looks nice. I like this. There we go. Wow, I can't believe this. He's looking really good. Okay, here we go. Let's draw the bottom of his leg right about here. There's his calf coming down like this. And his foot will be here like that. And those turtles have only got 2 toes. 1 and 2. Looking nice. And let's do the same over here. Strong looking feet. Right there. 1 toe. And then a second there. And then back it on up like that. Very, very nice. I like this. And then we can pretend he's got his shell back here. So let's do this right about there. And we'll give him some straps for his mask. Swirly bits like this. That's fun to finish him off. There we go, everyone. And there we go. We've got Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's get to the color. Green skin. Orange chest. Light brown straps. Dark brown shell. Red mask. And gray swords. Thanks, everyone.